Hearing or auditory perspection is the ability to perceive sound by detecting vibration, changing the pressure of the surrounding medium through time, through any organs such as the ear. The academical field concerned with the hearing is auditory science. Sound may be heard through solid, liquid, or gaseous matter. It is one of the traditional five senses.
A certain object produces sound waves that travel in air. The outer ear, pinna, catches the waves, traveling into a narrow passageway called the ear canal. Sound waves reach the eardrum, making the eardrums vibrate, which causes three tiny bones to vibrate as well: malleus, incus, stapes. These three tiny bones louden the sound of vibration, which then sends it to the cochlea. The cochlea is filled with fluids, and the sound vibrations create a ripple in the cochlea, which causes waves. Stereocilia, hair-like structures that sit on top of the hair cells. They're grouped together as hair cell bundles inside the cochlea. The stereocilia rides the waves made, making them move, turning them into electrical signals. Ions are rushed on top of the hair cells, which causes a release of chemicals at the bottom of the hair cells. The chemicals are called neurotransmitters. The chemical bind to the auditory nerve cell and create an electrical signal, traveling along the nerve cell into the brain. The brain interprets messages as sounds that we understand. Hair cells. Hair cells differ depending on the frequency of sound. Bass, higher pitched sounds, example flute. Top of the spiral, lower pitched sounds, example trumpet. On top of the spiral, lowest pitched sound, example tuba.
The anatomy of the ear. Outer ear. Pinna is the outside part of the ear. External auditorial canal is what connects the outer ear to the middle ear. Tympanic membrane, which is commonly known as the eardrum, is what divides the middle ear and the outer ear. Middle ear. Ossicles are three small connected bones that transmit sound waves into the inner ear. These bones are named malleus, incus, stapes. Usage-chain tube connects the middle ear with the back of the nose. It helps equalize the pressure in the middle ear because it is needed for the sound waves to transmit properly. The usage chain is lined with mucus. Inner ear. Cochlea is the spiral cavity that contains the organ forti. It produces nerve impulses which respond to sound vibration. Vestibule contains receptors for balance within the inner ear. Semicircular canals has the same function as the
diseases. Otosclerosis refers to an abnormal bone growth in the ears. It is often genetic and can cause gradual onset of hearing loss. This is a relatively common cause of hearing loss. The abnormal growth of bones within the inner ear interferes with the bones and makes it difficult for sound waves to be transmitted. Usher's syndrome is a genetic disease that can cause both hearing and vision loss. Usher's syndrome is divided into three types. Children with type 1 are born deaf. Children with type 2 are born with moderate hearing loss. And children with type 3 are born with normal hearing, which however decreases gradually over a period of time. Usher's disease causes abnormalities in the ears which leads to hearing loss.